Have you ever dreamed of exploring the world's most beautiful beaches? Today, we embark on an awe-inspiring journey across the globe, traversing the sun-kissed sands and turquoise waters of some of the most breathtaking coastal paradises. From the vibrant shores of Brazil to the crystal-clear lagoons of the Maldives, we'll unveil the mesmerizing beauty of these idyllic havens. So sit back, relax, and get ready to immerse yourself in the beauty of these coastal paradises, with exclusive aerial shots that will leave you in awe. Our adventure begins on the sun-kissed shores of Copacabana Beach in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. A spectacle of golden sand and turquoise waters, Copacabana is more than just a beach. It's a vibrant carnival of life. The rhythm of samba music fills the air, intertwining with the laughter of beachgoers and the distant hum of the ocean, creating a symphony that is quintessentially Brazilian. The beach is a canvas of activities, from spirited games of beach volleyball to sun worshippers basking under the tropical sun. And then, there are those who simply come to marvel at the stunning backdrop of Sugarloaf Mountain, a sight that never fails to captivate. As dusk falls, the beach transforms into a serene sanctuary, the setting sun casting an ethereal glow on the sand, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink. This iconic beach, stretching for miles along the Atlantic Ocean, will leave you longing for more. Next, we journey to the pristine shores of Whitehaven Beach in the Whitsunday Islands, Australia. This gem down under is a spectacle of nature's artistry, with its crystal-clear waters mirroring the azure sky above and powdery silica sand that feels like a soft whisper under your feet. The beach stretches over 4 miles, offering ample space for sunbathing and sandcastle building. But the fun doesn't stop on the shore. The warm, inviting waters are a snorkeler's paradise, teeming with a vibrant array of marine life that calls the Great Barrier Reef home. As you dive beneath the surface, you'll be greeted by a kaleidoscope of colors from the coral and fish alike. It's an underwater spectacle that rivals the beauty of the beach above. Whitehaven Beach is more than just a destination. It's an experience, a journey into nature's most beautiful creations. This beach is a true tropical paradise, a perfect escape from the mundane. From the shores of Australia, we make our way to the enchanting beaches of Zanzibar, Tanzania, and then to the exotic beaches of the Maldives. Picture an island paradise with palm-fringed coastlines, where the air is filled with the scent of spices and the music of the waves. This is Zanzibar, a gem in the Indian Ocean, where the beaches are as diverse as the culture. Nungwi and Kendwa, with their vibrant coral reefs, are a diver's dream, while the quieter Paye Beach is a haven for kite surfers. As we leave the spice-infused air of Zanzibar, we continue our journey to the Maldives. Imagine a world suspended over crystal-clear lagoons, where the sky meets the sea in a seamless blue horizon. Overwater bungalows dot the waters, each a sanctuary of solitude. The Maldives is an archipelago of 26 atolls, each a unique blend of pristine beaches and rich marine biodiversity. From the bioluminescent beaches of Vadu Island to the surfer's paradise of Thulusdu, the Maldives is a world of its own. Each destination, from the secluded shores of Mafushi Island to the iconic beaches of Bar Atoll, offers a glimpse into paradise. The beaches of Zanzibar and the Maldives are not just places, they are experiences, each with a story to tell, a memory to create, and a moment to cherish. As we conclude our exploration, we invite you to join us in celebrating the beauty of these amazing beaches from around the world. Our journey has taken us from the vibrant atmosphere of Brazil's Copacabana Beach to the crystal-clear waters of Australia's Whitehaven Beach, and from the palm-fringed coastline of Zanzibar, Tanzania, to the exotic beaches of the Maldives. Each destination, a unique slice of paradise, offering a tantalizing glimpse of what our beautiful planet has to offer. So, whether you're yearning for a tropical escape or seeking your next coastal adventure, let these breathtaking destinations inspire your wanderlust. The world's beaches are waiting, each with its own story to tell, its own splendor to share. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration and breathtaking aerial shots. Until next time, happy travels.